This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find your MetaMask address. First, open the MetaMask extension in your web browser. You will need to log into your account using your password. Once logged in, your public address is clearly visible at the top of the interface, making it easy to locate and use for transactions. To copy your address, simply click directly on the displayed alphanumeric string. MetaMask will provide a brief confirmation message, indicating that the address has been successfully copied to your clipboard. You can then paste this address into any field or application where it is needed, such as for receiving funds. For a more detailed view, click the three dots icon located next to your account name. From the drop-down menu, select View Account on Etherscan. This action will open a new browser tab displaying your complete transaction history and other relevant details on the Etherscan Block Explorer. It provides a comprehensive overview. If you manage multiple accounts, you can easily switch between them. Click the circular account icon in the top right corner of the MetaMask interface. A list of your accounts will appear, allowing you to select a different one. Remember, each account has its own unique public address for transactions and receiving assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.